What's up YouTube? Hello and welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today I got my pre-ordered Pixel 6a. It cost me $449, and during the pre-order Google was giving you free these Pixel Buds A series, and which I think it's a good gift. As you know, currently price is changed for $3.99 in the Amazon, but you are not getting this. These are the Pixel Buds A, which cost $99 US, and during the pre-order you can get yours free with the Pixel 6a. This is my first Pixel after the Pixel 5. I didn't have 6 or 6 Pro, and from this 6 series I got the Pixel 6a, and I think that the good product for its price. Let's real quick unbox it, and then we can see. So as usual, we can open here without opening the next cutter. Okay, mine is sage green color. I really like it. It really feels very premium, even though it's a plastic. This is not a glass, and it sits very well in the hand. So I like the size. It's a 6-inch OLED display, and this is 60 Hz OLED display. But again, the price says everything. What you get in the Type-C cable, Type A to C converter in case you need to move from another phone to your Pixel, and this is the SIM tray with this Google leaflets telling you about your phone, warranty, and etc. And there is a Google Tensor, which is the new Google Tensor CPU, and this small brother of the Pixel 6 series has the 6 GB RAM, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, and it has the exactly same CPU Tensor chip that his big brothers. Let's see if there is any juice on it, if there is a power, or yeah. So very bright screen, even though it's a 60 Hz. I think it will be okay with that price. I know that there are a lot of other phones you can get 90 Hz, 120 Hz, but that will be for me I really like the screen shape that doesn't have the edged bevels. It's all round shaped. And welcome to Pixel. So let's leave it here and move on with the so with the Pixel Buds unboxing. Okay, let's cut the plastic. Okay. I got mine is here is the Google logo, and mine is in the olive green color. I get this because of the phone color, and I assume so. It's very small, and I have never had the Google Pixel Buds. This is my first one. Let's see what else in the box. Okay, there is a charging cable, very good quality, but it's a USB-A to USB-C cable, which we will not use. And there is other sticks for the ear sticks that you can change, maybe different sizes, and paperwork. Let's leave it inside and move on, open and see how it looks like. I had a Sony earbuds, I had AirPods, but this is very first Google, so I hope I will not be kinda surprised with the sound quality, even though I heard a lot of good things about these earbuds. This is it, guys. I will tell my opinion regarding the buds and Pixel 6a after the usage of the week, and then I will make another video and will tell you more if you are interested. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot. Stay well, stay cool, stay safe, guys. Bye bye.